Junior 1. Hello my lovely girls and boys. I miss you so much. Today we are going to study vocabulary. We are going to study vocabulary unit 10. Vocabulary unit 10. Out and about. Out and about. This unit we are going to study two nice and easy things. The first one is the seasons, and the second one is the senses, the 5 senses that we have. Let's start with the seasons. How many seasons do we have in the year? How many seasons? Do you know? Yes, very good. We have 4 seasons. We have 4 seasons. Summer, spring, fall and winter. Summer and spring and fall and winter. These seasons they have different weather. They have different weather. Each season we have different weather. Let's see how. For example, in the summer, do we feel cold or do we feel hot? How do we feel in summer? Is it cold and rainy every day and raining and cloudy or something like this? Or it's hot and sunny and every day the sun is shining and we can go to the beach and we can go to swim? So, of course in summer, let's see first the picture of the summer. Of course in summer here, it's sunny, it's hot, the sun is shining every day. We have very hot weather. So, we used to go to the beach. We used to wear cotton clothes, like this girl, she's feeling hot, so that's why she's wearing cotton clothes. Of course in summer, because we feel hot, I can't wear gloves, or I can't wear ice cap, or I can't wear a raincoat, anything of this we can wear them in the summer, because in summer it's too hot. So in the summer the weather is hot, every day it's sunny and the sun is shining. And it's very hot, so I can go to the beach, I can go to swim, I can go to the pool, the swimming pool. Okay? So, and what do we wear in summer? We said we wear in summer what? We can wear shorts, we can wear cotton t-shirts. I can wear, for example, cotton skirts or cotton shirts. So we used to wear cotton clothes in the summer because it's so hot. Okay? What about this season? What about this season? Very good. We call it fall. This season is the fall. Why its name is fall? Why do we call it fall? Because in this season, as you see here, I will come here, in this season, the trees, all the leaves on the trees, they fall from the trees. They fall down from the trees. Why do they fall? Because they die. They become dry leaves, and the color changes from the green color, the bright green color, it changes to brown or orange or yellow, like these leaves here. And then they become dry and die and fall from the tree. That's why we call this season fall. That's why we call it fall. And it's in the fall season, it's a little bit cold. It's not very cold like the winter, but again, it's not very hot like the summer. So it's a little bit cold. We can, for example, we can wear some clothes like it's cotton clothes, but it's with long sleeves. We can wear some jackets, but it's not a woolen jacket, it's just a cotton jacket. Okay, so it's a little bit cold in the fall, and we call it fall because the leaves becomes orange and becomes yellow or brown like these colors, and they becomes dry, and they fall from the trees. But after this season, again, the trees will grow new green leaves. Okay, so that's why we call it fall. Okay, what about this lovely season? Spring, very good. This is spring. We call it spring. In the spring, the weather is nice. The weather is very nice there. Again, it's not very cold and it's not very hot. It's lovely weather, and we can see lovely flowers. The flowers blossom in the spring. What's the meaning of blossom? Blossom means it just open like this. It becomes open and becomes colorful. You can see very nice and lovely flowers in the spring. Let's see another picture here. As we see here, for example, the weather is sunny and lovely, and here the flowers have colorful colors, and they are very nice and colorful. So this is the spring. This is the spring. It's very nice. It's a very nice season. Okay, what about the cold season? We have it. Winter. Winter is the cold season. Winter is the cold season. It's very cold in winter. It's a rainy season, maybe every day or twice a week or sometimes like this, maybe every day. Sometimes it's every day and sometimes it's twice in the week. It's rain every day or every 2 or 3 or 4 days. So then the weather is very cold. The weather is very cold, and sometimes it's cloudy. Sometimes it's very cloudy in the winter side. Okay, what do we wear in the winter? What do we wear? We used to wear what? We used to wear scarves, gloves, heavy gloves or woolen gloves. I used to wear raincoats and boots. All the things we used to wear them in the winter. We used to wear heavy clothes in the winter, and we used to wear, as we said before, we used to wear woolen clothes which are made of wool. Okay, why we used to wear these things in the winter? Because they make our body feel warm. Okay, because of the winter, every time in winter we can feel cold, so that's why we can't wear, for example, cotton clothes like the summer. But we used to wear the woolen clothes or the heavy clothes like sweaters, raincoats, and because of the rain, when I go out, I have to wear the raincoats and the rain boots. So this is the 4 seasons we have. Let's revise them again. We have here summer. In summer, the weather is hot, the sun is shining. I can wear light clothes like cotton t-shirts, cotton shorts, cotton skirts, or cotton dress. Okay, you just feel hot all the time in summer because the sun is shining every day. Then we have the fall. In the fall, as we said, the trees some of the trees like this becomes empty because all the leaves on these trees just change their color from the green, the bright green color. They change their color to becomes yellow or orange or brown, and it becomes dry. If you touch it, it's just a dry leaf. Okay, then they fall from the trees. That's why we call it fall. And we said the weather in fall, it's a little bit cold. It's not very cold like the winter, but it's a little bit cold. Then we have the spring. Where the spring is a very nice and lovely season. We like to go to see the flowers, the colorful flowers in the spring. That's why they are very colorful and they blossom in the spring. They just open like this and they grow lovely and becomes lovely flowers, and we can see some insects like the ladybugs. We can see the lovely colorful butterflies. Okay, so they are lovely insects and flowers in the spring. Then the rain. In the winter, we used to wear heavy clothes. And why we used to wear this heavy clothes? Because of the cold weather, because we always feel cold. There is rain, we can see the rain every day. Okay, so that's why we used to wear heavy clothes to make our body feel warm. Okay, that was for the seasons. Let's see here our page about the season. We have rainy, it's the rainy weather of the winter. Then windy is the weather in the fall. The weather is windy in the fall. As you see here, it's windy. And then sunny is the weather in the summer. Sunny is the weather in the summer. Then hot, we feel hot. We always feel hot in summer. Cold, we feel cold in the winter. And as you see here, this man is wearing boots and scarves and gloves and everything, and ice cap, everything to feel warm. Then this is cloudy. Cloudy, I think it's the weather in the fall. Then we have here the spring. The spring, as we said here, the flowers are colorful and they blossom in spring. Okay, let's see here the next page that we have in the book. The next page we have here, it's talking about the senses. It's talking about the senses. How many senses do we have? How many senses do we have? We have 5 senses. We have 5 senses. What are they? The first one is sight. So very good. The first one is sight. Sight means to see. Okay, the sense of sight means see. I can see. I can see with what? I can see with my eyes. I can see with my eyes. So the first sense we have, number 1, let's put it here, is sight. This is the first sense we have. Let's put it here. So this girl here, she's trying to see something with the lens because maybe it's a small thing. So this is called sight. Sight is to see. Okay, what is the next one? taste. Very good. Taste. The second one is taste. Taste, like this girl, she's trying to taste the lemon. Okay, taste, we use our tongue to taste the food. Maybe I taste something, I find it sweety, maybe I find it salty, maybe I find it sour, like the lemon, or like the vinegar. Maybe I find something yucky or awful, I don't like it. So we use our tongue to taste. So the first sense we have is sight. Sight means to see with your eyes. The second one we have is taste. To taste the food, like when we taste something with our tongue. Okay. Number 3 is this one. What's this one? Hearing. Very good. To hear. So the sense number 3 is hearing. To hear, and we hear with our ears. Of course, I hear with our. We hear with our ears. What's the fourth one? Let's see it. Very good. Touch. Fourth one is touch. Touch, what do we use to touch? We use our hands or our fingers to touch the things. This man is touching the cactus, and of course the cactus has some spikes here, so it's spiky. So if he touches now, he's just going to feel it spiky. Okay? So we use our fingers or our hands to touch. We can touch something. I find it soft or fluffy, like for example, if I touch the body of the cat or the fur of the animals, like the cat or the rabbit, maybe I find it just fluffy, soft, okay? And some other things, when I touch it, I find it hard. Like if I touch, for example, a rock, something like a rock in the sea, or when we go to the beach and we just touch the rocks or the shells, we find that hard, okay? And maybe here this man, when he touched this cactus, it finds it spiky because it has spikes. So this is touch. Okay, what is the last one we have? The last sense we have? What's this? Very good. Smell. To smell something. To smell something. Let's put it here, smell. Here, the last one is smell. Smell, we smell with our nose. This man, for example, is smelling delicious food. It's a yummy food, that's why he's happy. When he smells it, it's happy. It's delicious food. And this woman here, or this girl, she's smelling the flowers. Again, it's lovely things to smell. So we use our nose to smell. So let's revise again our 5 senses. Sight. Sight means to see. I see with my eyes. I can see with my eyes. Taste. Taste. And I can taste with my tongue. I can taste with my tongue. Hear. Hear. I can hear with my ears. I can hear with my ears. What about this one? Touch. To touch the things. I can touch with my hands or with my fingers. Touch. Okay? Then the last one. Smell. The last one is smell. I can smell with my nose. So let's revise them here. In your page you have here. Sense of smell. Here it's pointing to the nose. Sense of hearing. It's pointing to the ears. Sense of sight, and it's pointing to the eyes. Sense of taste, it's pointing to the mouth. And sense of touch, it's pointing to our fingers. So we have here eye, tongue, hand, nose, ear. These are our 5 senses here. Sight, taste, hear, touch, smell. Okay. Here we have, it's a very small exercise, that's why we're going to answer it from here from the page. Write the correct word inside each box. I have here 5 pictures, and we're going to write each sense here. I have here the senses: touch, smell, hearing, sight, taste. Again, touch, smell, hearing, sight, the last one, taste. Okay, here you can see the first picture. They are pointed to what? to the nose of the boy. So I'm going to choose which one of them, which sense. Touch. Can I touch with my nose? No. Smell. Can I smell with my nose? Yes. So I'm going to write here, smell. And then when you write it, just cross it out in your book with your pencil. Then the second one, they are pointing to the hands of the girl. Can she touch with the hands? Yes. So we are going to choose here, touch. Touch. Then you are going to write here, touch, and cross it out. Then they are pointing to the mouth of the boy. Mouth. Can I hear with my mouth? Can you hear with your mouth? Of course not. Sight. Can you see with your mouth? If you close your eyes, can you see with your mouth? Again, of course not. So it's going to be sight. Very good. So sight. It's going to be here taste. Taste. I'm going to try taste because we are tasting the food with our mouth. So number 4 is they are pointing to the eyes of the girl. Eyes. What we are going to choose? I'm going to choose sight. Very good. What do we do with our eyes? I can see with my eyes. Then the last one we have is ears. What do we do with the ears? Hearing. What do we do with the ears? It's hearing. So we are going to choose here, hearing. So the first one will be smell. The second one will be touch. The third one will be taste. Number 4 will be sight. And number 5 is hearing. Okay. Then you will turn the page and you'll find here your homework sheet. It's so easy. Number 1, you have here only one question. Choose the correct answer. Number 1, I go to school during day, night, or bedtime. Of course, we choose daytime. We go to school in the morning, in the day. I can touch or see or feel a colorful rainbow in the sky. What do we see? Or the rainbow, or you touch it, or you feel it? Of course, we see it. We can see the rainbow. Okay, you are going to read the rest of the sentences and you are going to do it. I wish it's easy for you. Thank you, Junior 1. Bye.